Sending data from Google Spreadsheet to a chatbot using the Smart Sender constructor. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna, and in this video you will learn how to send data from a Google Spreadsheet to custom field on Smart Sender and save data within a chatbot. Like and subscribe to our channel. In the previous video, we saw two examples of how to send data from a chatbot to Google Spreadsheet. If you need to watch that video, click on the link above. Today, we will also look at two examples. Now, we will be sending data from a Google Spreadsheet and saving it in custom field. In the previous video, we already learned how to connect the Google Sheet accounts to the projects in the menu integration, and we won't stop there. Let's start by going to the Google Spreadsheet and creating an example for sending data in the chatbot. In this example, we will learn how to send data from an entire row. For instance, let's say we calculate bonuses for employees for a specific period. Each employee has unique number. They need to input this number in the chatbot and they will receive the relevant information. The unique number is in the first column here, followed by the description and in the next reward amount. To the link chatbots and the Google Spreadsheet, we will use the employee's unique number. This unique number. We also need to create variables on Smart Sender, which will be compared to the employee's unique number this. Create variables for the description too and rewards amount too. Go to Smart Sender platform. Go to the section variables and create 3 new variables. I call it same for this column. For example, unique number and add to letter. The first type it is number. Create second description and add to letter. This select string. Continue and next reward amount, create amount and add to letter. I add to letter, then it is different name with column. And come back, select type, it is number and continue. Okay guys, now go to Smart Messenger and create some flow. Funnels and call it, for example, Google and 2 and continue. Starting step, it is our technical step. It is we choose which channel we want to work. I state all channel. Clicking here, then this block disappear, and clicking here and add send message. Clicking the first tab and automatically continue the first block. Let's choose this block user input and write the text. Please write your unique number. I add emoji. Okay. Clicking here and choose this answer, it is number, and here we choose custom field when we save response. Find some, it is unique number Smart Sender. Done. Our next step, choose the block perform actions. Automatically continue. Clicking to add action, choose Google Sheet integration, continue. This we choose get row by value. Return Google Sheets data to Smart Sender. Clicking here. Choose here my Google Sheets questionnaire. If I come back Google Sheet, it is name my sheets. Come back on Smart Sender. Next, worksheets. Worksheets, it is second. Sheet seconds. Come back and choose sheet second. Look column, it is our unique number. Clicking here, and this I choose name my column unique number. This column. Come back. This I need to select variables when I created few minutes ago. It is unique number 2, but with letter CC Smart Sender. Select variables, and it is unique number Smart Sender. In this I need to select variables on Smart Sender when I created few minutes ago. The first, it is my unique number Smart Sender. Next, it is net descriptions column, this on my Google Sheets. Come back. This variables or custom field on Smart Sender. Description Smart Sender. Choose this, and next reward amount Smart Sender 2. Choose this and continue. And continue to. Okay guys, now we display all information about this user. Okay. Plus this, choose send message, automatically continue, text, and I don't want writing. I copy this name, put user descriptions, and I choose answer on Smart Sender. Clicking here and choose the first, it is unique number Smart Sender, description Smart Sender, and reward amount Smart Sender 2. Okay guys, publish this flow and preview how it is work. I choose Telegram channel, continue, open my Telegram and start. Please write your unique number. I go to my Google Sheets and copy, for example, second unique number. Come back to Telegram, paste and send. Yes, and I receive information. It is my unique number. It is description column. It is reward column. Come back on the Google Sheets and I see congratulations, you are on top as always. And rewards amount 200. And I received this information through my chatbot. Okay guys, now let's see how to send data column wise. Go this sheet 3. Here I have an example of a small price list. Let's imagine we have a beauty salon, and so that we don't update the price list manually, the user can request it within the chatbot. It's much easier here. The procedure name is top and the price here below. Let's go to our funnel Smart Sender and edit, delete one and create new one. Okay, click in here, add the message, automatically continue, click in here and add text. Do you want to see the currently price list for our service? Click the button below, add emoji and add the button. Allows activation of this button several times and save. Next, we add the perform action block and continue from button to perform actions, but we need to create all the variables on Smart Sender. And now we go on the main console, variables, and create 3 variables on the Smart Sender. The first is manicure with any letter, any number. Select a type, this price and this number. Continue. Create second procedure. Select the type, number and third coloring, for example. Select the type, it is number 2, this all number type, and come back our funnels. Okay, click the add action here, choose Google Sheets integration. Here we choose update from Google Sheets cell, return Google Sheets cells data to Smart Sender. Click in here, choose name our spreadsheet. Next worksheet, it is sheet 3, and here we choose only variables on Smart Sender. In the left it is name column on Google spreadsheet. For this, manicure, pedicure and coloring. Come back. And this, it is name custom field on Smart Sender when we create few minutes ago. Manicure, Smart Sender, and next it is pedicure, Smart Sender name, and coloring. Yes, click the button continue. Now we need display on price. Need top, yeah. Send message, automatically continue, text, copy this name and add answer. Click in here and choose variables on Smart Sender. Manicures, next. Pedicures and next coloring. Continue. Publish and preview it. Click in here, select the channel, continue. And I want to receive price list. Click in price list and I receive all information. Manicure 35, 45 pedicure and coloring 80. Go to spreadsheet. All information set to Chatbot and I receive information on my Telegram channel. Great! Today you have learned how to send data from Google Sheets to Smart Sender and save responses in variables. You can send both row and column data. You can build various funnel scenarios for your businesses or your clients' businesses on Smart Center. Guys, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon!